how to help with the heavy crawl, and the child's 10 months old. Now, this one's in from a movement lesson practitioner. We all need guidance, but please understand, guys, sometimes when I'm doing a review, it's for people that are more advanced doing the work. So with the heavy crawl, so one of the things that you're looking for is vertebrae function. So Rena, you're doing a great job already. The chest is up, it's great. But now I want a little bit of the sway. When a child is crawling, or we're crawling, and our vertebrae, everybody thinks there's a spine in the back, which I know, again, you're different. But when you're crawling, you want that sway. This is why tummy time is so important, because that sway can start and then it continues, and then it goes into rolling over, and then from crawling into all fours to looking up and all of those kind of things. And this is still done very rotely because it's two vertebrae kind of together. What you're looking for really now is what we have to deal with is the articulation. So the crawl, I'm trying to get it so you can see it, is you need the spine not only to sway, but to start crossing that midline. So the crawl still is a bit more here, right, than here. So you've got the lift up, the heaviness. Now we've got to work on that sway. A little bit more difficult, again, because you're talking about the inside of the spine, which we can't touch. Another thing that you're looking for is just the pure physics, right? If I were to slow this down, just because it's all attached. Hi, Rena, this is for you. But again, if you're looking for that sway, you're there, but you're going in and out. See, the sway should still be there, even though you're doing those kind of movements. So this is one of the things you can be working with. When you're coming here and you're working with your child, obviously kids move around, and especially since he's going into the locomotion. Sorry it took so long, but, got crossed up with just traveling, and then I didn't have my doll. So again, you're taking that heaviness, so that's that weight transfer, right? And that's where you're getting him up. But now we've got to work on that midline crossing. I've got to hold my baby's doll's head because it's rubber, right? You won't have to do there. So your hand placement is going to be more here, or going into that pubic bone area, right? And coming in around that way, right? But now you're looking for that sway, right? In sitting, some of the things you'll be working with, again, stuff you've learned, and you learned even this past weekend with the hanging techniques, is you're just going to be with the light hang underneath the one shoulder, and again, using that vision to get that spine. For some reason, in this area of the spine, especially towards that left, you're not getting that crossing midline. You saw it more so in the first crawl when he's dragging. That's where you're really getting the heaviness through, is this area, but that area too, for whatever reason, is not able to cross midline. And this is why at this stage he cannot go into all fours like this, because especially to the left, it's just the movement's not there. And that's where you need to go in and start working with that, and then see how it goes. And then just post up a new video and let me take a look if you want. Thanks. Bye.